Unveiling the Secrets of the Sun, a journey into the heart of our star. In a world not so different from our own, a curious traveler named Alex found themselves on the verge of an extraordinary journey, a voyage that would transport them to the heart of our solar system, to unravel the captivating mysteries of the sun. Alex, an ordinary person with an insatiable hunger for knowledge, had always been captivated by the sun, the radiant sphere that graced the sky by day. They had gazed at the sun countless times, marveling at its warm embrace and the life-giving energy it bestowed upon Earth. But now, they were about to embark on a remarkable adventure, one that would take them closer to the sun than they had ever imagined. The journey began on a crisp, clear morning, much like any other. Alex stood on the launch pad, a futuristic spacecraft towering above them, its sleek design promising safety and adventure. The spacecraft was equipped with cutting-edge technology, designed to withstand the intense heat and radiation of their destination, the sun. As the countdown began and the engines roared to life, Alex felt a rush of anticipation. They were about to set out on a mission to explore the closest star to our planet, to uncover its secrets and unlock the scientific wonders it held within its fiery core. With a final roar, the spacecraft lifted off the launch pad, and Earth receded below. Alex watched as the blue and green orb that was their home grew smaller and smaller, the boundless expanse of space stretching out before them. They knew that this journey would be like no other, a voyage that would lead them to the very source of life in our solar system, the sun. As the spacecraft hurtled through space, Alex couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder and excitement. They were setting out on a solar odyssey, a voyage that would not only deepen their understanding of the sun but also redefine their perspective on the cosmos. Little did they know that the mysteries of the sun, the celestial body that had shaped our world for billions of years, were waiting to be unveiled as they journeyed closer to its fiery heart. As Alex's spacecraft approached the sun, they couldn't help but marvel at the brilliant, golden orb that loomed ever larger in their view. The sun, their destination, was a magnificent celestial sphere, radiating intense light and energy that bathed the solar system in its warm embrace. In preparation for their close encounter with the sun, Alex had been equipped with special instruments and protective gear. They wore a suit designed to withstand the searing heat and blinding brightness that awaited them. The spacecraft's reinforced windows featured advanced solar filters that allowed Alex to safely observe the sun's surface. With their protective gear in place, Alex activated the spacecraft's advanced imaging equipment and aimed their gaze at the sun. The view that greeted them was nothing short of awe-inspiring. The sun's surface, known as the photosphere, appeared as a vast expanse of roiling, golden gas. What seemed serene from a distance was, in fact, a turbulent cauldron of activity. Dark patches known as sunspots marred the otherwise radiant surface. These sunspots were cooler regions on the sun's surface, caused by complex interactions within its magnetic field. Alex knew that these sunspots were temporary phenomena, constantly shifting and changing. They were a testament to the dynamic nature of the sun, a reminder that the star they beheld was far from static. As they continued to observe the photosphere, Alex noticed something even more intriguing: solar flares. These were sudden, violent eruptions of energy that leaped from the sun's surface, creating dazzling displays of light. The spacecraft's instruments detected intense bursts of X-rays and ultraviolet radiation accompanying the flares. Alex marveled at the sheer power and beauty of these solar flares. They were like fireworks on a grand cosmic scale, a testament to the sun's immense energy output. These flares were a reminder that the sun was a living, breathing entity, and its behavior was governed by the ebb and flow of its magnetic field. As they continued to observe the sun's surface, Alex felt a profound connection to this celestial body. The sun, once a distant and unapproachable star, was now a living, breathing entity right before their eyes. It was a moment of discovery and awe, a glimpse into the heart of a cosmic powerhouse that had shaped the destiny of our solar system for billions of years. But this was just the beginning of Alex's solar odyssey. They knew that there was much more to explore, deeper into the sun's fiery heart, where even greater mysteries awaited. As they gazed at the photosphere, Alex couldn't help but wonder about the secrets that lay beneath the surface, waiting to be unveiled on their remarkable journey into the heart of the sun. As Alex continued their journey toward the sun, they couldn't shake the sense of awe that had overwhelmed them when they first glimpsed the sun's turbulent surface. The photosphere, with its swirling gases and sunspots, was a mesmerizing sight, but it was just the outer layer of the sun, a tantalizing prelude to the heart of this celestial giant. The spacecraft had been designed for this very purpose, to venture closer to the sun than any human-made object before. It was equipped with cutting-edge technology and a reinforced heat shield, ensuring that Alex could withstand the extreme conditions they were about to encounter. With each passing moment, the sun grew larger in the spacecraft's viewport. The brilliant orb, now filling the sky, radiated a blinding intensity. The spacecraft sensors detected the increasing temperatures and levels of radiation, a stark reminder of the tremendous energy that was generated at the sun's core. Alex's anticipation grew as they approached the sun's core, the very heart of this cosmic powerhouse. It was here, deep within the sun, that the most remarkable process in the universe was taking place, nuclear fusion. The sun's core was a seething cauldron of scorching hot gas, with temperatures soaring to approximately 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. This was where hydrogen atoms collided with such force that they fused together to form helium, unleashing a torrent of energy in the process. As Alex's spacecraft ventured closer to the core, they marveled at the concept of nuclear fusion. It was this relentless fusion of hydrogen into helium that powered the sun, the very process that had been generating light and heat for billions of years. The energy produced in the core radiated outward, providing the warmth and light that sustained life on Earth and throughout the solar system. The onboard scientist explained that the journey to the sun's core was akin to exploring the heart of a cosmic furnace, where unimaginable pressures and temperatures forged elements and unleashed torrents of energy. It was a process that had been playing out for eons, a testament to the sun's resilience and endurance. As Alex ventured deeper into the heart of the sun, they couldn't help but feel a sense of connection to this cosmic phenomenon. The sun was not just a distant celestial body, it was the very source of life and energy that sustained our world. It was a reminder of the grandeur of the universe and the delicate balance that allowed life to flourish on Earth. But the journey was far from over. Alex knew that there were still more secrets to be uncovered, more wonders to behold as they delved further into the inner workings of the sun. As the spacecraft approached the core, Alex braced themselves for the revelations that lay ahead, eager to explore the depths of this celestial furnace and unlock the mysteries that had fascinated humanity for millennia. As Alex continued their journey toward the sun's core, they couldn't help but be enthralled by the ever-changing spectacle of the solar surface. The photosphere, with its sunspots and solar flares, was a swirling canvas of activity that had captured their imagination. However, they knew that there were deeper layers to explore, each holding its own set of mysteries. The spacecraft had brought them closer to the sun than anyone had ever ventured, and the protective gear and shielding were crucial as they approached regions with even more intense radiation and heat. Alex's next destination was the chromosphere, a layer just above the photosphere. The chromosphere was known for its fiery plumes of gas, often visible during solar eclipses as a radiant halo surrounding the darkened moon. As the spacecraft moved closer to the chromosphere, Alex donned specialized goggles that allowed them to view the sun's surface in a different light. What they saw left them in awe. Bright, slender arcs of gas, solar prominences, reached out from the sun's surface, painting the sky with vivid hues of red and pink. These celestial tendrils seemed to dance with a life of their own, defying the sun's overwhelming gravity. An onboard scientist explained that solar prominences were colossal explosions of energy and matter, driven by the sun's complex magnetic field. These magnetic loops of charged particles could extend hundreds of thousands of kilometers into space. Alex marveled at the sheer scale of these solar eruptions, which were like the sun's way of reaching out to touch the cosmos. The scientist went on to describe the sun's intricate magnetic field, which played a crucial role in shaping the behavior of the sun's outer layers. The magnetic field was not static, it twisted and contorted, creating regions of intense activity and tension. Solar prominences, like the ones Alex was observing, were a result of this dynamic magnetic dance. The spacecraft continued its journey through the chromosphere, providing Alex with an up-close view of these captivating solar features. As they observed the fiery plumes reaching out into space, they couldn't help but feel a profound sense of connection to the sun's dynamic and ever-changing nature. But Alex's journey into the sun's depths was far from over. The mysteries of the solar atmosphere, with its scorching temperatures and unpredictable behavior, beckoned them onward. As the spacecraft descended deeper into the sun's fiery embrace, Alex braced themselves for the wonders and challenges that lay ahead, eager to explore the uncharted territories of our nearest star. As Alex's spacecraft descended further into the sun's atmosphere, they left behind the mesmerizing display of solar prominences in the chromosphere. They were now on a trajectory to a region that had baffled scientists for decades, the sun's enigmatic outer atmosphere, the corona. The corona was a place of extremes, with temperatures soaring to several million degrees Celsius, or Fahrenheit, despite being farther from the sun's core. It was a region of intense heat, mysterious phenomena, and immense energy. Alex knew that this part of the journey would be the most challenging yet, but it was also the key to unlocking some of the sun's most profound secrets. As they approached the corona, the spacecraft's heat shields and protective measures kicked into high gear. The temperature outside the spacecraft had reached staggering levels, and the solar radiation was intense. Alex marveled at the spacecraft's resilience, designed to withstand these extreme conditions and provide a safe vantage point for their exploration. Through specially designed viewing ports, Alex glimpsed the corona for the first time. It was a sight beyond imagination, a shimmering halo of gas, radiating with a bluish-white light that seemed almost ethereal. The corona extended far into space, creating an otherworldly landscape of flowing streamers and loops of plasma. The onboard scientist explained that the corona was a place of paradoxes. While it was significantly hotter than the sun's surface, it appeared as a faint halo during solar eclipses. This had long puzzled scientists, leading to the phenomenon known as the coronal heating problem. They were still working to understand why the corona was so much hotter than the surface below. Alex watched as the spacecraft's instruments measured the corona's magnetic fields, temperature variations, and plasma flows. It was a delicate dance of data collection, a quest to unravel the mysteries of this scorching realm. The scientist explained that the corona was intricately linked to the sun's magnetic activity. Magnetic fields in the sun's interior created loops and structures in the corona, shaping its behavior and causing it to release streams of charged particles into space. This constant stream of particles, known as the solar wind, extended throughout the solar system, affecting everything it encountered. Alex couldn't help but feel a profound sense of wonder and fascination. They were not just witnessing the sun's outer atmosphere, they were exploring the very heart of its complex magnetic interactions. The corona, a place of extremes and mysteries, was a testament to the sun's intricate and dynamic nature. But the journey was not without its challenges. The intense heat and radiation took a toll on the spacecraft systems, requiring constant adjustments and safeguards. Alex knew that they were pushing the boundaries of human exploration, venturing where few had gone before. As they continued to study the corona, Alex couldn't help but think of the countless questions that remained unanswered. Why was the corona so much hotter than the sun's surface? What drove the sun's magnetic activity, and how did it shape the solar wind? The corona held the answers to these and many more questions, and Alex was determined to unlock its secrets as they ventured deeper into the fiery embrace of our nearest star. As Alex's spacecraft delved deeper into the scorching heart of the sun's corona, they became increasingly aware of the immense forces at play. The corona, with its shimmering streamers of plasma and magnetic dances, was a realm of intense heat and energy. Yet, it was also the birthplace of a cosmic phenomenon that extended far beyond the sun, the solar wind. The solar wind was a constant stream of charged particles, primarily electrons and protons, that flowed outward from the sun in all directions. It was like a cosmic breeze that swept through the solar system, shaping its environment and influencing the planets and objects it encountered. The spacecraft's instruments allowed Alex to observe the solar wind up close as they ventured further into the corona. They watched as the solar wind carried particles and magnetic fields into space, forming a protective bubble known as the heliosphere, a shield that enveloped the solar system and protected it from harmful cosmic rays originating from distant stars and galaxies. The onboard scientist explained that the solar wind was not just a gentle breeze, it was a dynamic and ever-changing force. The sun's magnetic field, which they had seen in action in the corona, played a crucial role in shaping the solar wind. Magnetic loops and eruptions on the sun's surface could disrupt the solar wind's flow and create phenomena such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These solar events had the potential to influence Earth and the entire solar system. When charged particles from these events reached Earth, they could interact with our planet's magnetic field, creating stunning displays of light known as auroras. However, they could also disrupt communication systems, damage satellites, and even affect power grids, underscoring the sun's profound influence on our technology-dependent world. As Alex observed the solar wind and its effects, they couldn't help but feel a sense of the sun's cosmic reach. The sun was not just a solitary star in the vast expanse of the universe, it was a dynamic and central figure in our solar system, shaping the environment and influencing the celestial bodies that orbited around it. The solar wind was a reminder that the sun's impact extended far beyond the borders of our solar system. It was a force that shaped the cosmic dance of planets, moons, and asteroids. It was a reminder that the sun, as our nearest star, held a position of immense importance in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Alex knew that their journey had provided them with a unique perspective on the sun's influence on our solar system. It was a perspective that few had experienced, and it deepened their appreciation for the cosmic forces that governed our celestial neighborhood. But there was still more to explore, more mysteries to uncover as they continued their descent into the heart of the sun. Alex couldn't help but wonder what other revelations awaited them as they ventured even deeper into this cosmic furnace, where the sun's secrets lay hidden, waiting to be unveiled. As Alex's spacecraft began its journey back from the heart of the sun, they couldn't help but reflect on the incredible voyage they had undertaken. They had ventured closer to our nearest star than ever before, exploring the mysteries of the solar surface, peering into the scorching corona, and witnessing the birth of the solar wind. It had been a journey of discovery and wonder, one that had deepened their understanding of the sun's role in our solar system and the cosmos. The return journey from the sun was marked by a sense of both fulfillment and anticipation. Alex had gained new insights into the sun's complex nature, the dynamic interplay of magnetic fields, the birth of solar wind, and the influence on Earth and the solar system. It was knowledge that would reshape their perspective on the universe. As the spacecraft distanced itself from the sun, Alex couldn't help but look back one last time, watching the radiant orb diminish in size. The sun, their closest star, the source of light and warmth that had nurtured life on Earth for eons, was now receding into the cosmic backdrop. The journey had been a testament to human exploration and scientific discovery. It was a reminder of humanity's insatiable curiosity, our drive to push the boundaries of knowledge, and our relentless pursuit of understanding the universe that surrounds us. Alex knew that their adventure had come to an end, but the quest to explore and learn about the cosmos would continue. Scientists and researchers around the world would continue to study the sun, its dynamics, and its profound impact on our solar system. Each new discovery would be a step closer to unraveling the remaining mysteries of our nearest star. As the spacecraft re-entered Earth's atmosphere, Alex couldn't help but feel a profound sense of gratitude for the sun, the brilliant star that had illuminated their journey. The sun, a source of warmth, light, and inspiration, would forever be a reminder of the boundless wonders that awaited those who dared to explore the universe. With a heart filled with wonder and knowledge, Alex returned to Earth, their perspective forever altered by the incredible voyage they had undertaken. The sun, the celestial giant that had shaped our world and fueled the cosmic dance of our solar system, would remain a symbol of both scientific exploration and the enduring mysteries of the cosmos. And as they gazed at the sun from the familiar vantage point of their home planet, Alex knew that their journey had been a remarkable chapter in the ongoing story of humanity's quest to understand the universe.